go, man.
Yeah, that was our best yet, I think.
Yeah. What time is it?
I think it's about 1 in the morning.
We gotta go.
Where are we going?
Cincinnati, come on. We're gonna lose our flight.
Where'd they go? Oh, they do this all the time.
We need to get on the flight to Cincinnati. Do we miss it? We're here.
Yes, I'm sorry you missed it, but we have an open seat available on flight A107. It's that gate to the left.
Where's that go?
I'm not quite sure. You can just go on the plane.
Okay.
We'll take it.
Yeah,
let's
We gotta go.
They're going to Beijing.
Hello, welcome to Air China. Do you want any drinks or peanuts?
Air China?